Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Excel lets you easily create charts from the data in a worksheet. Charts are useful for times when you want to create visual representations of the worksheet data for meetings, presentations, or reports. To insert a chart, select the cell range that contains the data for the chart. Be sure to also select the data's adjacent row and column labels to automatically apply them to the chart, saving you the step of selecting them later. You can adjust your data selection later if needed, but selecting the data first lets you see chart previews more clearly. Next, click the Insert tab in the ribbon. In the Charts button group are the types of charts you can insert. Starting in Excel 2019, two new chart types appear in this button group. You can access the new Funnel and Map chart types by clicking them within their respective chart type drop-down buttons in the Charts button group on the Insert tab of the ribbon. Alternatively, you can select them after clicking the Recommended Charts button in the Charts button group on the Insert tab of the ribbon. One way to insert a chart is to click the Recommended Charts button in the Charts button group on the Insert tab of the ribbon to open the Insert Chart dialog box and display the Recommended Charts tab. This tab shows the types of charts Excel thinks would best illustrate your selected data. You can click the choices at the left side of the tab to see a preview of the chart appear to the right. To insert one of the chart choices into the worksheet, click it to select it in the listing at the left side of the tab. Then click the OK button at the bottom of the Insert Chart dialog box. Another way to insert a chart based on your currently selected data is to click the button that represents the general chart type to insert within the Charts button group on the Insert tab of the ribbon. Then click the specific chart subtype to insert in the button's drop-down menu. To view all the chart type choices and then insert a selected chart type, click the See All Charts button that appears in the lower right corner of the Charts button group to open the Insert Chart dialog box. To show all the available chart choices, click the All Charts tab. On this tab, you can select a major chart type from the listing at the left side of the dialog box. You can then select the specific subtype to insert by clicking the desired subtype in the list at the right side of the dialog box. To then insert the chart of the selected subtype, click the OK button at the bottom of the dialog box. Using any of these chart insertion methods inserts a chart of the selected subtype as an embedded chart object in the current worksheet. The next thing to note is that when a chart object is selected, a new contextual tab then appears in the ribbon. This is the Chart Tools Contextual tab, and it consists of two tabs, Design and Format. You use the buttons in the various button groups on these two tabs within the Chart Tools Contextual tab to change the selected chart objects. When a chart is selected in Excel, a 2-button or 3-button grouping of chart options appears at the right side of the selected chart, depending on the chart type you inserted. The buttons are, from top to bottom, Chart Elements, Chart Styles, and optionally, Chart Filters. You can also use these buttons to change your selected chart.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.